Let's play our subdivide game. I have a bug. You have very good. Butterfly, butterfly. You say butterfly. Bug, 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 bug. Did you say butterfly while I said bug? That was cool. Let's do another one. I have a bug, and you have caterpillar, caterpillar, caterpillar. You say caterpillar. Bug, 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 bug. I said bug while you said caterpillar. And they were dividing that section of time into 4 equal parts. Amazing.